Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily silence Instagram notifications. So if you're disturbed by the push notifications from Instagram app and you want to stop receiving it but want to just stop it for a certain of time, you can just use this feature on Instagram. So I'm going to show you how you can post the Instagram notification temporarily. First, you can just open the Instagram app on your phone. Okay, so after this you can go to the your profile by clicking on your photo at the bottom right corner. Then just head to these three lines icon at the top right corner to see all of the settings and activity. Now you can just scroll down until you find this how you use Instagram section and see the notification settings. So tap on that, and at the very top there is this option post all. So this post all will help you to temporarily post notifications. So you can just click on this little circle to enable this feature. So by enabling this feature, you won't get push notifications, but you'll still be able to see a new notification when you open the Instagram app. So it will only show up only when you open the app. So here you can choose the time. You can use for example, you just want to post it for 1 hour, maybe when you are in a meeting or in class, or maybe you want to just post it for 8 hours when you are asleep. You can use that. So just choose the time that you want. For example, here I'm going to go with just 2 hours. Okay, so after that, and the timer will be set. So after 2 hours, this post all settings will automatically turn off, so the notification will come again and the push notification will show again on my phone. So you can also use this quiet mode, but I'm going to explain it on another video. And that's all from me. So as I said before, if you want to post all of notifications, you can just go to Instagram, go to your profile, and here find the notification settings and make sure you make these settings turn on or enable these settings. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.